feeling lost in a sea of engineering options? Like you're one click away from either building the next Mars rover or designing a better mousetrap? Fear not. The right discipline is out there, and today, we're going to help you find it. 1. Self-assessment. Know thyself. First things first, you need to know yourself. What are your interests? Are you fascinated by how things move, or do you find joy in coding all night? Do you prefer working in a lab or out in the field? Your personality and passions should be the compass guiding your decision. Remember, loving what you do makes all the difference. 2. Research, research, research. Get ready to dive into some hardcore research. Look up different engineering disciplines and understand what they entail. Mechanical, civil, electrical, chemical, aerospace, biomedical, the list goes on. Each has its own unique focus, challenges, and opportunities. Read articles, watch videos, and talk to professionals in the field. The more information you have, the better equipped you'll be to make an informed decision. 3. Consider your strengths. Play to your strengths. Are you a math whiz or a coding genius? Maybe you have a knack for understanding complex systems or a creative streak that makes you a natural problem solver. Identifying your strengths can help narrow down which discipline will allow you to shine. After all, why not choose a path where you're already set up for success? 4. Think about the future. Engineering is a constantly evolving field. Think about where you see yourself in the future. Are you looking for a fast-paced, innovative environment like tech, or something more stable like civil engineering? Consider the job market, growth potential, and emerging trends. What's hot now might not be in 10 years, so choose a field with staying power. 5. Hands-on experience. Sometimes, the best way to know if a discipline is right for you is to get your hands dirty. Internships, co-ops, and project work can give you a taste of what to expect. It's one thing to read about civil engineering and another to actually be on a construction site. Real-world experience can be a game-changer in making your decision. 6. Talk to professionals. Who better to give you the inside scoop than those already in the trenches? Reach out to engineers in different fields and ask about their day-to-day work, challenges, and what they love and hate about their jobs. Networking isn't just about finding jobs, it's also a valuable tool for gaining insights that you won't find in textbooks. 7. Consider your lifestyle. Think about the lifestyle you want. Some engineering jobs require long hours in the lab, while others might have you traveling around the world. Do you prefer a 9-to-5 desk job, or are you more inclined toward fieldwork? Your career should complement your desired lifestyle, not clash with it. 8. Evaluate the impact. What kind of impact do you want to make? If you're passionate about sustainability, environmental engineering might be your calling. If healthcare is where your heart is, consider biomedical engineering. Your career can be a powerful way to contribute to causes you care about, so choose a discipline that aligns with your values. 9. Balance passion and practicality. While it's important to follow your passion, practicality should also play a role. Some fields have more job opportunities and higher salaries than others. It's a balancing act between doing what you love and making a living. Find a sweet spot where your interests, skills, and market demand intersect. 10. Make an informed decision. Finally, after all your research, soul-searching, and conversations, it's time to make a decision. Trust your gut, but back it up with the knowledge you've gathered. Remember, no choice is set in stone. Many engineers switch disciplines throughout their careers as their interests and the industry evolve. Choosing the right engineering discipline is a journey, not a race. Take your time, explore your options, and most importantly, enjoy the process of discovering what's right for you. Now, go forth and engineer your future.